Quality enthusiasts, brace yourselves. Today, we're diving into the world of quality leaders' rituals. Wondering how they maintain top-notch excellence? Stick around as we unveil the daily tasks turning them into the unsung heroes of perfection. Priority 1: Ensuring end product quality. It's like a daily quality quest. Handling key errors, managing escalations, and keeping a close eye on key metrics. Quality excellence isn't a task, it's a daily adventure for our quality leaders. Next up, Priority 2: Support activities. Think of it as the quality safety net. Technical and operational backup, revising manuals, and maintaining programs. It's the backstage magic that ensures the quality show goes on without a hitch. Last but not least, Priority 3: Project activities. Here, our leaders become quality visionaries. Initiating improvement actions, setting new standards, and providing top-notch training. It's like a quality revolution unfolding before our eyes. There you have it, folks. Quality leaders, the unsung heroes of perfection. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing that quality excellence.